Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Heil furnace in 2026. So in order to reset it, first of all, you just have to switch off the power supply. Afterwards, you just have to simply remove the front panel carefully. Now, when you open it, it's going to look something like this. So when you are inside the cabinet, you just have to simply look for the reset button. When you are able to find the reset button, simply just press and hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds. After this time duration, you just have to release it. If you are not able to find the reset button, you just have to do nothing but to just leave the power off for about 2 to 3 minutes. After that, you just have to turn it back on. This also works as a full system reset. After doing so, you just have to turn the power back on and set your thermostat to heat. Check if the furnace starts normally and warm air begins to flow. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.